Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make no-bake chocolate peanut butter cookies using just these ingredients. It's really easy, no bake as I said, so you don't need to even pop the oven on. You can just pop all the ingredients together in the fridge, and then in a couple of hours you'll have easy homemade cookies. And as always, I've written a blog post which I'll leave down below, which has the recipe, full step-by-step instructions that you can click through to pin, bookmark and save when you want to make these cookies. And be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you give this recipe a try and what you think of it. So let's talk through the ingredients. We've got peanut butter. I've got peanut butter and cocoa powder. Oh, this is cacao powder, so I get one that I get from Aldi. That's my chocolate peanut butter ingredients. I'm using stevia as my sweetener of choice, but you could use any sweetener, or if you're not following low carb keto, you could just use any sugar you like. And I'm using butter, but you can use coconut oil instead, and I've got the instructions for that in the blog post down below. So if you want it to be dairy free, and they could be vegan as well, you can skip the butter and go coconut oil instead, and you'll still have lovely cookies. I've got desiccated coconut over here, but you could use shredded coconut instead. And I'm using flaked almonds. I've got a bag of flaked almonds over here, but you can really use any other chopped nuts you like instead, but I just love it with flaked almonds. It's kind of perfect. So we'll get everything combined together now. We're going to start with a cup of flaked almonds. This is a half a cup measure. I'm just going to do 2 of these because I just need to keep using a half a cup, so it just makes sense. So that is 2 halves, a whole cup of flaked almonds and a half a cup of coconut. And we'll just toss this around to combine. It's good to just get these ingredients all ready to go, because next we're going to melt the butter, and when that is all melted together, we want to just quickly combine it together. So this is combined, and now we're going to get a saucepan and mix all the other ingredients together. So I've got my saucepan over here. We're going to pop in 50 grams of butter, which I've just cubed up. Now it's up to you how sweet you want it. You can go 1/3 to half a cup. I've got a bit of a shallow half a cup here of stevia. I'm going to go 1/4 cup of cocoa powder to make it nice and chocolatey. Smells good already. And then a half a cup of peanut butter into the saucepan. And now we're just going to pop it over medium heat and get everything melted and smooth and creamy. So I've got it over the stove, and just give it a mix, keep a close watch of it, and the butter will slowly melt, and just help it along. Don't want it to kind of burn and bubble, just till we've got a nice creamy mixture. It's getting there. It's barely been a minute. The butter is starting to melt. You can see there I'm just helping it along the way. And any minute now I'll be able to just take it off the heat and have a lovely creamy mixture. Okay, I've taken it off the heat. You can see there's a beautiful creamy mixture, and now we'll mix it in with the nuts. Okay, I've got my nut and coconut mixture back, and now we'll pour over the chocolate peanut butter mixture. We'll just toss it through until we've got a nice cookie dough. It's beautiful. You can see it doesn't take long, and it's come together beautifully. Okay, that's a beautiful cookie dough. And now I have lined a baking tray with well-greased baking paper, and we'll drop a good tablespoon or so per cookie onto the cookie sheet, just like that. And just help it along, form it however you like, and we're just going to fill the cookie tray with cookies, just like that. And I got 12 lovely, quite big size tablespoon cookies out of my cookie dough. If you want to do more bite-sized ones, you can make smaller ones and make more cookies. We like these big, beautiful ones that just are almost like a meal, a cookie meal. But they're going to go into the fridge to harden for a few hours, and I will show you once they're set. And the cookies have been in the fridge for a few hours, and you take a closer look, you can see they've set beautifully. It's nice and hard underneath, and just what you'd expect from a cookie. And if you're a fan of those peanut butter, chocolate peanut butter cups, this is kind of what it tastes like. It's nutty and chocolatey and just so amazing. But that is the video for today for these lovely chocolate peanut butter cookies that are no bake and super easy to make. They're low carb, keto friendly, sugar free, gluten free, and if you swap the butter for coconut oil that can be vegan, dairy-free, paleo-friendly too. And remember to check down below for the link to the blog post, which has the full recipe, step-by-step instructions, which you can click through to pin, bookmark, and save for when you want to make these cookies. And be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you give these cookies a try and what you think of them. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye!